Xiaomi is about to launch the Xiaomi 14 Civi in the global market, which is a flagship-grade phone. It features a curved OLED display on all four sides, a premium design, a top-tier processor, Leica camera optics, and many other high-end specifications. Today, I will be unboxing the Xiaomi 14 Civi and sharing my first impressions. Hey guys, it's Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing of the Xiaomi 14 Civi. This phone is set to launch globally and is a rebranded version of the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro, which was launched in China. Here is the box for the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro. On the box, you can see the Leica branding at the top and HyperOS branding at the bottom. This is the blue color variant. It will also be available in black and green. The phone comes with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Let's cut the plastic and open the box. Inside the cardboard box, we have a SIM ejector tool, a user manual, and this time, a hard plastic case. Here is the Xiaomi 14 Civi phone in the blue color variant. Next, we have the 67-watt power adapter and a Type A to Type C cable. Let's remove the plastic from the phone and talk about its design and build. The most eye-catching feature of the phone is its screen, which is curved on all four sides, giving it a very premium feel. The screen is also protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The phone has a metal frame that is flat. On the back, you'll find the camera module with the Leica logo, which is exclusive to Xiaomi's flagship series. Around the camera module, there are timescale textures. The back of the phone is made of glass and has a multicolor design. The module side is dark blue, while the right side is light blue. Additionally, the textures differ. The left side has glossy textures, and the right side has matte textures. The phone looks very stylish, with a light blue frame. It's also lightweight, weighing only 179 grams, and it's thin at 7.5 millimeters, giving it a very good in-hand feel. There is also a leather variant, and I've uploaded an unboxing and detailed review video of that version. You can find the link in the description below and in the card above, so be sure to check it out. Although Xiaomi's Civi series is typically a mid-segment flagship, it is being launched as part of Xiaomi's flagship series. The Xiaomi 14 Civi is a camera-centric phone with powerful front and rear camera setups, enhanced by Leica's optimization. I've already covered the details of the phone's camera in my review video, which you can find in the description. The phone features dual front cameras, similar to the iPhone's dynamic island design, but here you get a wide-angle camera and an ultra-wide-angle camera. The Xiaomi 14 Civi also has an impressive display. It features a 6.55-inch quad-curved OLED screen with a 1.5K resolution using C8 luminescent material, making it a flagship-level display. This 12-bit display can show 68 billion colors. The phone is powered by the recently launched Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, which is positioned between the 8 Gen 2 and 8 Gen 3. It has an Antutu score of 1.5 million. The phone can easily handle heavy games like Genshin Impact on the highest settings. You can see more in the detailed review, including a gaming test. However, one disappointing aspect is the battery, which is only 4,700 mAh, and the charging speed is limited to 67 watts. This reduction was likely made to keep the phone handy and lightweight. As for the price, the Xiaomi 14 Civi with 8GB of RAM and 256 storage is expected to cost around £376 in the UK and $480 in the USA. In conclusion, the phone has a solid build, an excellent display, and superb camera setups on both the front and back. The performance is above average, but the battery and charging speed are somewhat disappointing. So friends, what do you think about the Xiaomi 14 Civi? Which feature do you like the most? And at what price do you think it should be launched in the UK? Let me know in the comments section. See you in the next tech update. Thanks for watching and have a great day.